Hello everybody, it's Bobo here and welcome back to my channel. Honestly, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to everybody in this beautiful globe. How are y'all doing, everybody? Hope you have an amazing day. Today I'll be giving you a hotel tour, and this hotel is called Ramayana Resort, and this hotel is located at Bakungsari Street. Halo, selamat pagi, apa kabar? And this hotel is also very close to Kura Square, walking distance to the beach, and this is about 15 minutes drive from Bali International Airport. And this restaurant is a place where you can have buffet breakfast if you are staying at this hotel. And take a look at this fish pond. It's so beautiful, nice and cozy. They have some sculpture here as well. Selamat pagi, apa kabar? And I want to say welcome to Ramayana Resort. Here I am right now, and over there to the left is the hotel lobby area. And I'm gonna walk down this way. This is the walkway down to the swimming pool and the room. And the room I want to show you today is called Villa Wumble, or Sweet Villa Wumble, located next to the swimming pool. So the room I want to show you is called Villa Suite, or a Lombok Suite, number 14 and 15. And take a look at this floor, everyone. It's so nice and cool. And then over there to my left, there are some gazebos for you to chill and relax. They also have a sunbed with beautiful cushion or a couch. And this is the swimming pool. Take a look at the swimming pool. It's so nice. It's big. It's not super big, but it's big enough. And on both sides of the swimming pool, there are so many sunbed, and every sunbed it has, they provide a towel for you to use. And on top of that, the swimming pool is surrounded by beautiful trees, nice flower, and across over there is the swimming pool bar, which is very nice, very nice. And take a look at these trees over there. It's so nice and green, and this hotel has 2 stories, and those are the room. And I'm gonna walk down to the room 14 and 15, and something I want to show you, I want to tell you is the room 14 and 15 were occupied, so I can't, it's over there, I can't really show you that room. So the room I want to show you is on the second floor, but that room is exactly the same as the room 14 and 15. So I will just show you the location of the room 14 and 15, and this is one of the requests. And she's one of my favorite. Her name is Tracy, and this is the reason I'm showing you this room for today. And take a look at the swimming pool, guys. It's so nice. So the room is over there. I'm gonna walk close up to the room, and I'm gonna walk through this way over here. And it's very beautiful breeze. It's so nice and it's so shady. I really like the atmosphere around here. So I will stand in front of the room. Will show you the swimming pool from there. See the swimming pool from different angles. The room 14 and 15 is just behind where I'm standing right now. And take a look. There are some water fountains, and the water is just dropped from the I don't know what to call this. I would say it's a kind of big bucket. Well, everyone, let's check out the room, and the room is just behind me, and this is the room. So let's go. All right, let's push this, and this is the balcony. Very nice couch with some cushion on it. And take a look at this table. It's so very nice. Tiny, and you can remove it. And over there is a small box where you can find there are 2 umbrellas over there. So let's take a walk into the room, and this room is called Bakungsari. This is the front door to the room, and welcome to the room, everyone. Take a look. This is so beautiful, smells so good, and there is a stool in here. Very nice couch with some cushion on it, and the bed sheet is so beautiful as well, with some pattern, so white. You can find there about 4 pillows over there with 2 cushions. And this is a king size bed, and it has some, it has a mosquito net. This is such a big cushion, or actually you can sleep in here if you want to. Then there are about 6 cushions in here. Very nice couch. It's so wide, and take a look at this painting. I love this painting. It's so beautiful. Stick on the wall. And over here there is a desk. Tiny small desk with beautiful chair. There is a book in here. I don't know what this is about. And there is a telephone, some plug in here you can use. And over here there is a drawer. Let me open it up. The drawer is open, and this is what it's like inside. It's very shallow. And then there is a beautiful light in here mounted on the wall. And this one is some storages. You can find here coffee maker. And then there is a dispenser here as well if you want to drink hot or cold water. And this is the kitchens. Very nice, beautiful kitchen cabinets. Single sink. Nice faucet. And I don't know what this is. If you guys know about it, please put comment down below. There is a microwave over there, some glasses, cup, and some storages on the top. And this is the stove. So it has 1 burner, I believe, electric stove, some switches over there with 1 plug-in. Can take a look at this side. And right there is a flat screen TV mounted on the wall. And take a look at the ceiling. The ceiling is so high. It's all made of wood. Very nice furnished. And this must be the I don't know what is this. Let me try to take a look. Let me open this. Well, this is some store. Oh no, actually this is a fridge. There is a fridge in here, medium size. Let me open up. The fridge is open. Wow. This is so good. You can put a lot of soft drink, alcohol, anything you want to put inside. Let me close it again. It's closed. And we're gonna take a walk to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. As soon as I walk in the bathroom, this is what I'm gonna find. There is a bathtub in here. It's so shiny, and the bathtub look a little bit deeper than I used to see. It's very nice. And this must be some space for you to put, I don't know what you're gonna put in there. And take a look at that faucet. Wow, this is incredible. It's so beautiful, it's so shiny. And and to my right over here, you can find a single sink. And again, the faucet is locked up front. And this is some shampoo or soap, I believe. So this is one of the hotel amenities in here. You can find some glasses as well. And there is a mirror here. And this is a large mirror. Hey, that's me over there. Beautiful light here, beautiful lamp. And it has some storages here. It's so huge. And over there, you'll find there is a safety box, some ropes, clothing hanger, and ironing, some torch. There is one torch as well. And then down below there is a scale. There is a scale and a pair of slippers. And there is a ironing board as well behind the a big mirror here. And this is some storages for whatever you want to put in there. And a trash can down below. Now we're gonna check it out, the shower. This is the door to the shower. Let me open it up. Just push it. Well, it's open. Oh my God, it looks so plush. There's some storage over there as well. It's rain shower. It's really, really nice. And beautiful light. Let me close it down. Then the next one I want to show you is the toilet. And this is the door to the toilet. The door is opened. Let's check out the toilet. You can find toilet paper over there. And this is the toilet. It's pretty big, pretty big. There's a host over there. And a trash can down over there in the corner. Let me close it down. And then I want to show you again the bathroom for the last time before I walk out this bathroom. This is what it looks like. It's so roomy. There are a lot of spaces. And this is the bed. And let me show you this room again for the last time before I end this video. So this is from this angle over here. Well everyone, this is it. My video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to keep smiling.